In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate HubSpot with QuickBooks Online, a powerful combination that makes managing your contacts and finances much easier. This setup helps streamline your business operations, reduces errors, and saves you time. To start, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're on your dashboard, head to the Marketplace. This is where HubSpot offers apps and integrations that expand what you can do on the platform. In the Marketplace, use the search bar to find QuickBooks Online. When you see it, click Install. HubSpot will guide you through the installation step by step. The next step is connecting your QuickBooks account. You'll need to enter your QuickBooks Online credentials securely. Make sure to follow each prompt carefully and grant the necessary permissions. This allows HubSpot to access the relevant financial data safely. Once the connection is complete, your contacts and financial information will start syncing automatically between HubSpot and QuickBooks. This means you can manage your sales and finances in one place, with all your data staying up to date across both platforms. By the end of this process, HubSpot and QuickBooks will work together seamlessly, giving you a clear, organized view of your business operations and helping you make smarter, faster decisions. And that's how you integrate HubSpot with QuickBooks Online. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.